Hi guys, welcome to your weekly catch-up on the goings-on in the Big Brother house. My name is Toke Makinwa and I will be taking you through the assorted housemates' ups and downs from the past few days. As always, there were the nominations. Now, just like last week, the head of house games were about winning yourself immunity. With the runner-up winning the veto power, Nini won this power and decided to save herself at Cross's expense. Who didn't seem quite so happy about it? Then there's a major source of stress, Big Brother's secret task to Saga and Rose. This was to stress out their significant others.
Big Brother would like you to start a fight.
Okay, that's a tough assignment. You're stuck in a house with a bunch of people and then you're told to alienate the one person with whom you have a real relationship with. Whew, that's heavy, Biggie. He also followed through on the task by avoiding Nini during the times when they are usually together, times like when they eat. Now, at this very moment, Rose seemed to be following up on her task with Biggie, sitting alone in the blue room. This is not something BBNaija viewers have seen in a long time. And we all had to get used to the idea of Rose being two rather than one. Nini seems to have adjusted to her separation from Saga pretty easily, in my opinion, though. It appears that not having a Saga shadow has really freed her up to do whatever she wants. Wonder how Saga is going to react to that. Ooh, this task just got a little harder for Saga. He even went out to fix himself his own bed in the blue room. Meanwhile, here is how the drama played out with Rose. It's not like Emmanuel is completely dense. He obviously realized that something is going on. He was also going to try to do something about it and spoke to Rose directly.
If I was that way, the way you were, if I was that way, we won't be here. I'm going to be fine. Don't be worried about me. I don't want pity love. I don't want pity.
Pity love.
Oh, I don't want that
Are you
to feel
serious
bad.
right now?
Pity love? Damn, Lika really takes the assignment seriously. We kind of really feel bad for Emmanuel. He has no idea what is going on. All jokes aside, we were starting to wonder if Rose was going to survive this secret assignment because even the other housemates are convinced that something is wrong. Meanwhile, on the other side of the task, Saga pulls a Saga.
I would never want to do this to you, please. Yesterday when I went for diary, he said that he has a task for me. I want to fight with you and don't talk to you till the next diary session.
Dude, seriously? Get it together. On the other hand, maybe we should be proud of a person for not letting some cash get in the way of a friendship. But there were other fights in the house too, not just between the people that Big Brother set up against each other. For example, a guy just wants to take a shower, yo.
Emmanuel came here, did not complain. You are the bathroom inspector, you come here and be shouting because I'm keeping you quiet.
If you don't want to keep quiet, tell me what it is in your mind. I'm trying to explain to you what you're doing is wrong.
But I just fucking told you I'm almost done.
Are you fucking stupid?
Why do you keep screaming?
Major wahala going on there. It didn't take long for Nini's irritation to spread to the other housemates, did it? But back to the secret assignments given to Rose and Saga. Now, after Saga crashed and burned in his resolve, he and Nini were reduced to this. On the other hand, this is how Rose was treated for treating Emmanuel like dirt. Thursday had some good vibes generally, though the housemates were required to dress up and mimic each other, which led to some hella fun.
Nins! Saga! Nins! What are we going to eat today? Thanks, Saga.
Nini, Nins, who do you want
I don't know, Saga.
Go, Saga!
The situation did lead to some revealing comments from each of the housemates about the person they were trying to mimic, which does give us, the viewers, a little bit of insight into how they feel about each other.
The person that I got to mimic is Nini, and I am already very exhausted. I did not even know that playing her would be that challenging.
Because honestly, most of the time, Sasuke is sleeping.
I get to do all the crazy things Angel does.
I'm making white money and aside being in the kitchen all day, there isn't much he does.
Character I go choose Cross. It too they shout, but in shout now, off and on. I'm a confused human being.
It really is a topsy-turvy world in the Big Brother house. Now, that's it from us for today. Remember to catch me on Showmax The Buzz every Tuesdays and Saturdays, streaming from 7 p.m. Now, until then, have a great time. Catch you on the next episode of Digital Review.